Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. The first thing we have to do is switch on Bluetooth. Once we've done that, we're looking at the bottom here. We go to telephone, which is the top right button, click telephone. You've got Bluetooth menu there, click Bluetooth menu, and there you go. Bluetooth is on. That's if you're having trouble finding the phone, make sure there's a tick in that Bluetooth at the top there, and then on to add device, click add device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW 39881. There we are at the bottom. So we'll click on that. Do the numbers match? 138570. Yes, it does pair. And then we'll click OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And there you see it at the top. That's connected. Just checking the passkey here. And it's showing there's a tick in the telephone box and a tick in the audio box. That's quite important if you want to stream audio later. So we just click OK. Barry's iPhone's showing up there.